Hi, I'm Garrett. I have been a patient here at Taipei Hernia Center, and I wanted to just give my thoughts on the process and a little bit about myself. So, I've had two hernia surgeries this year with Dr. Lin, one for an inguinal hernia surgery and the other one for an umbilical hernia. In the past, I've also had a mesh hernia surgery for an inguinal repair, and I've also had an open surgery for an umbilical. I found the care here at Taipei Hernia Center to be excellent. Compared with the mesh and compared with the open surgery, I found Dr. Lin's new technique to be much better in terms of my mobility in the next day, my recovery overall, and my ability to do daily things like walk around or go to the bathroom, stuff like that. I'm a hiker and I'm a camper, and I go surfing pretty frequently, and I was impressed how quickly I was able to get back to trying some of those things again. And even running, I trained to compete in how long was it? A 16 kilometer trail running race in December, and that was just under 5 months after my hernia surgery. So I was able to train to the point where I could run 20 kilometers 5 months after my surgery, which I was very impressed with. I found the pain and the recovery to be much better. I think the overall recovery has been long, but I also feel like the repair is a lot stronger than both the mesh or the umbilical, especially the umbilical, because that one resurfaced, which is why I had to have it repaired here at Taipei Hernia Center. I found the staff here to be absolutely wonderful. They're all really friendly, and it was easy for me to contact the hospital via line or contact Dr. Lin directly if I had any issues as I was recovering or if I was experiencing pain. They followed up with me by telephone frequently, and I also found the translation on the website to be really good, which is important in Taiwan. And I found the hernia center, the Taipei Hernia Center, I found by searching online after I had had my hernia resurface, and I could feel it again underneath my skin, having had two before I knew what they were. And so I searched for the best hernia clinic in Taiwan so that I could get the best treatment. I found Taipei Hernia Center, and I contacted them to see what the possibility was for me to get accepted as a patient. And everything was very straightforward. I have heard they also have international patients come over from Australia or America to get hernia surgeries, depending on the insurance level and cost and whatever. I would recommend this technique. Also, then you would get to visit Taiwan. It's a nice place. Yeah, so that's all from me. Overall, I've had a fantastic experience, and I would recommend Taipei Hernia Center to anybody.